Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about game loop Flame to Flutter. Now we look example. Open main.dart and we work with sprite component. Write class game extends flame game, write game constructor, then we write background color, write color 0, write const, and we use method unload. And we look life cycle. When a flame game is first added to game widget, the life cycle methods on game resize, then work unload and on mount, then work method update, render, and if removed, we work with method on remove, and if reparented, we get on game resize. Write unload, add async, remove. And now we create sprite component. Write class, migrate, extends sprite component, migrate, super, size, vector 2, and we use all, write 150, and we write method unload, async, write sprite, await, sprite.load, and we add person, Sonic. Copy, add information, then we open unload and write add migrate. Save. Now we remove information, add game, comments, hot restart, and we get person, Sonic. Then we work with remove. we open home screen and write final game add to constructor, write elevated button, remove const, then you write widget text and write start game. Write const and we add game dot overlays dot remove we remove home screen. Now we open main.dart and we update main, write game, add game to parameter, hot restart, we send start game and we look person Sonic. We can use debug mode, then change background color. We can use background color, we can use low level game API if we have more level game, and work with pause resuming, stepping game execution. Update backgrounding, use pause when backgrounding, and use has performance tracker mixin if we have use update time and render time. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.